Zitrón was founded in 1963. It is 100% Spanish. The headquarters of the company is located in Gijón, Asturias, in the north of Spain. In addition, the company has offices in Holland, France, Qatar, Russia, South Africa, Italy, Turkey, Australia, Mexico, Chile, India, and Canada, among others. Zitrón is the only manufacturer in the world that is specialized in ventilation systems of road tunnels, railway tunnels, and subways, which makes the company a worldwide leader. The brand is known and valued by customers in the 5 continents. Nowadays, the company has projects being carried out in more than 80 countries. Zitrón is permanently investing in tools to offer its customers the best quality together with a product that suits perfectly their needs. The R&D department has the difficult task of always looking for the best solutions to the particularities of each project until reaching high levels of perfection in the design. One of these important tools is the test bench, which is at the same time a laboratory certified by AMCA, Air Movement and Control Association. It is currently the largest laboratory in the world. In the test bench, you can test fans up to 5 meters in diameter and 2 megawatts of power at their nominal point. You can identify from which point the stall area begins and check all the operating points of the curve according to the existing density, tension, and frequency at the project site. Zitrón can design and manufacture ventilation systems that meet demanding specifications such as C5 anti-corrosion treatment, harmonic distortion, ACQPA certification, SIL2 safety level, etc. Thanks to the know-how and the high quality of the products and services of the company, Zitrón have been awarded with the world's largest project of 2017, Doha Metro. The project consists of 4 lines: Golden Line, Red Line, Green Line, and Blue Line. For this project, the best company in the world in ventilation system for tunnels and subways was chosen. It is Zitrón. Zitrón was subcontracted to perform the ventilation of all the lines turnkey. That is, design, drawing in BIM, and manufacture all the ventilation system equipment: fans, dampers, silencers, diffusers, electrical cabinets, control cabinets, AHU, etc. And to make factory tests, FAT, importation, installation, and start up all the equipment and perform all kinds of tests, including fire tests, etc. This project was successfully completed thanks to the know-how of Zitrón and the professionalism of its employees, who knew how to overcome all the difficulties of big projects and adapted perfectly to the standards, norms, and customs of the country. Zitrón is the perfect partner that any customer needs if they wish to have the best ventilation system, because people's safety is our main concern.